Big Bird's hiding in the kitchen. Come with Dada. Let's go find Big Bird. Come on. Oh, not in there. Big Bird's in the kitchen. Where's Big Bird at?
Oh, you found him.
Big Bird's hiding in your high chair. Okay. You hide, Big Bird. Oh, you want Dada? Okay, close your eyes. Good job. Oh, you were looking. Big Bird. Oh!
All right, Daddy's turn. Go find Big Bird.
Where's Big Bird at? Where is Big Bird? Maybe Big Bird's in the lunchbox. Nope, not in the lunchbox. Maybe Big Bird is hiding under the ball. Nope, not under the ball. Not under the blanket. Oh, I think I found him. Oh, there's Big Bird. Oh! Okay, hide your eyes, Aurora. Dada's gonna hide Big Bird. All right, where's Big Bird? Where's Big Bird at, Aurora? Where's Big Bird? Big Bird's somewhere in the kitchen. Where's Big Bird? Let's go look this way. Come on. Big Bird on the chair? Nope. Big Bird's not in the bathroom. Where's Big Bird? Let's go look this way. Do you see Big Bird? Where's Big Bird? Oh, you found him! What a good job! Okay, close your eyes. Okay, where's Big Bird at? Is he in your tent? Go look in your tent. Where's Big Bird? Maybe he's not in your tent. Let's look outside of the tent.
I think Big Bird went for a ride.
Yeah, maybe he went for a ride. Let's go look at your wagon. Oh, there's Big Bird. Are you going to take Big Bird for a ride?
She's not allowed to touch the handle. She might drop it on her foot.
You want Dada to give Big Bird a ride? With a cow?
Big Bird outside. Not today.